Top's down already, all ready to go. Carbon steering wheel's looking good as always. And yeah, Evo's sitting pretty out there. So, nice. There we go. Put it there. Wom. Let's go, baby! Alrighty, we out here at Raff's house. This is the last day you'll ever see his Evo on this channel, probably. And the Talon. I drove that thing. But look at all these bikes. Wow. Yeah, the FZ1. Got the 600RR. An FZ8. A motor. This is the built motor, right?
Yep.
Nice. And then the R1. Very nice. And then we got turbos. On turbos. Man. Doesn't this car just look so good? Wow. But yeah, I am kind of sad to see this thing go. But it is what it is. Oh man, there goes the Talon. Got the 2K. Got the Evo. Damn. His driveway is looking very clean already. Oh my god, and that Eclipse, the one that was so fast, is now going to go. It's a sad day in the neighborhood. Bro, you have like enough parts for three builds out here. Full suspension, we got a clutch, we got valve covers. And there she goes. Alrighty guys, there it goes. Goodbye Evo. We loved you. Goodbye Talon. We loved you. S2K's still here. We chillin'. And goodbye Eclipse. Alrighty, we're back home. I gotta check on something on the Evo. There's been a little bit of an overheating issue and oh no, I'll have to really grab this thing. There it is. Let me put this hood prop up real quick. So my radiator, or my coolant levels are absolute zero almost again. So I don't know what's happening to it. Alrighty, we have to stop by AutoZone here real quick so we can get some coolant for the Evo. Yeah, took the S2K of course. Alrighty, we have picked ourselves up some coolant. I don't need that much, probably, but we'll see because it has been draining it pretty quickly. I have no idea what is wrong with the Evo, so might be a small hairline crack somewhere on the top of the radiator or something. We'll figure it out. Alrighty, let's see if this fixes the Evo. Maybe it's just low, but yeah, I really don't know. Where are my keys at, huh? There they are. Oof. There we go. Let's get the trunk popped as well because I have a funnel in there. Alrighty, here we go. Let's try it out. Got the funnel all in, ready to go. Let's go. Ooh, neon green. Gotta love that. This thing almost took the entire thing of coolant. I think it's pretty empty. I'm bleeding the system right now. I've got the overflow tank filled to the top again. So I don't know what's going on with it. But I don't think putting it up to the top last time while we were out there at the Cars and Coffee, I don't think that did anything because it probably sucked all of it in there and there just wasn't enough in there. So yeah, we'll see if it maintains this level or I don't know what's gonna happen. Well, I filled her up. She seems happy-ish. I don't know. It's not much of a difference. I'm gonna take her around the block and see if that sucks in any of the reservoir tank. I'm gonna move the Evo from this spot a little bit. Radiator crack I really don't know. I think it might be on top because then it's burning off as I drive it, which makes more sense to me because I don't think there's a leak under there. I've never seen a puddle after I've moved the Evo. Anyways, I'm gonna grab my coat from here and then we're gonna head on out to Raphael's house. Also, huge shout out to Raphael for this AEM. I think this is my electronic boost gauge. I don't have one in the Evo yet, so this is going to be sweet. Is this an AFR? This might be an AFR gauge, actually. Let's just open it up real quick. Why don't we check? It's an AFR gauge. Nice. Yes, we do need this for tuning purposes. Well, shit, dude. It's all gone. All your cars. How do you feel?
It's like a waste of stuff.
Yeah, I feel that. Cleaned up your garage in the process. Nice.
Yeah, it's probably the...
You have more space now.
For...
More cars. Activities, yes. Is it full? Is it full yet?
Yeah, it's full. Is it full?
Are you sure? Oh my god. A little bit.
It might be a little full.
Just a little bit.
I don't think so.
Alrighty, boys, we're about to take the Evo out. We're gonna go get Raphael another Evo? Bet. Alright, we out here getting some gas real quick. Hello, cat. I love that. But yeah, let's do it. Alrighty, we are here in Bremerton. It's been about an hour of a drive. He just started up his Evo, and I think Raph's about to go take a test drive. So yeah, let's see what's up. Wow, look at this thing. It's on air and everything. Wow. I really want to bag one. Shit. Damn, bro. Damn. Gotta flex on me like that. Shit, son. Oh, scraping, bruh. Air up, bruh. Yeah, there you go. Fuck, I missed it. Jesus Christ, it's back. Holy shit.
I don't want you to feel like I'm doing you. Like
No, I was a little bit like, man, but then I don't know if he's gonna want to bring the parts, you know. But then I was like,
yeah,
you know what, it's fine.
Like, yeah.
You get the
Dude, this thing's
I do.
crazy
I got everything
clean,
with
bro. What the heck? Look at all that carbon. I mean, the steering wheel could go probably. But you know, everything else. The leather Recaros, because it's a 9. We've got carbon on carbon everywhere. Nice, nice. It's an MR, of course, but oh my god, dude, look at this thing. Oh my god, and it's bagged. What? Shit's crazy.
We'll get you more.
Oh my god, that air setup is beautiful.
It's not bad. If I could master my line bending skills, it would be way better. But
Are these just the standard plastic
they're
lines?
just
Okay, right on, nice. Those are sweet. Yeah,
I've been doing
man.
it for 17 years.
Maybe you could take us for a ride in the Gallardo sometime.
Yeah, absolutely. Fuck
That'd be
yeah.
sweet, yeah.
Yeah.
When you're in first gear and you just whoa, 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 whoa. Made it back home with the Evos. Raff being extra. Gonna grab some Applebee's. Is he gonna air out? Let's see. Will he air out? He will not air out. Alrighty, dude. That's it.
Yep.
That's a wrap. We got our Applebee's. How do you feel?
It's fucking fast. Nobody got gapped.
It's fucking fast. We both got Applebee's in different senses.
There's an English racing called the Unicorn.
It's a unicorn?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got its little horn poking out. I love all the arcade titanium stuff on this car. It's beautiful. It's so sick to see these two together. Wow. It's pretty sweet. I really want to take a ride in this thing, so I'm going to see if Eric can pull it off. Also, I pulled so hard on the highway. This whole trim came up, and it's still kind of up. And my side marker came out. Alright. He's gonna kill it. Oh, he didn't kill it. Fuck yeah. Looks sick. Alright, but I think you'll be fine unless we hit a hill. Confident enough to hit hills?
No, but maybe.
Do you want to drive it? If you don't feel comfortable, I'll take it.
I can drive it.
Okay.
I think I got it.
Alright, bet. Let's do this.
This thing literally says the original equipment tires provided enhanced the braking and cornering performance.
But we got no OEM shit. Oh! Damn, dude, it looks so good. I never get to see it roll. Oh, that's so sick.
Oh shit, man. See, just take off.
Yeah, he just fucking disappeared on us. Holy shit! God damn.
That thing sounds scary.
Oh my god! It does sound scary. Holy shit, dude.
The clutch really takes some getting used to.
Yeah.
More the shifter because I'm not used to this, but damn.
Yeah, damn. This thing's sweet. Nice radar. Going off all the time.
Yeah, it does go off all the time. It goes off whenever I gun it, and then it goes off when there's cops.
Oh yeah. You just every time you gun it, it just goes off.
Yep. I think it's saying like, hey, you're past the speed
Oh, you're
limit.
going too fast. Yeah, definitely. He's definitely having fun in my Evo.
But you can tell he's not actually gunning it.
No, yeah, yeah.
Because if he were, the thing would be way goner. I'm telling you, your power is way up.
Way goner. Yeah.
Way goner, dude.
Way goner. Are you having fun in my car?
Maybe I might kill it here.
Oh, you'll be
I
good.
might kill it here.
Shit, this thing's loud. What about gas mileage? Holy shit! Was that a flame? Does that station was? What? No way! You scared me. Okay, what the fuck is this mirror though? What the fuck? Oh! Gas money, pay up. Air out.
Air out.
Do it one time for the gram. Wait, turn your wheel straight. There you go. All the way. No, 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 no. Press the bottom button. Press twice and hold.
Look at his face.
Damn, boy! Baller as fuck. All right, we're gonna get a proper look at this airlift setup. Wow. Did a really good job of
Yeah,
that.
it's got a battery charger too. I don't know the battery. It's underneath there. It's not in the front.
Maybe it is. Yeah, he did the hardwood flooring, as one does. We're doing our first mod to the Evo. We're just gonna go ahead and unbolt the drag wing here. Boom! Look at that. Boom, boom. No, it won't fall off because you still have to unbolt it. Nice. Alrighty, I've got myself a nice little Evo 9 wing. Here you go. Enjoy.
Maybe that's it for me.
Hit that.
Oh, do we have to hold the truck then?
No, you don't. Just get that right in the hole. Perfect. Maybe not perfect.
My side's coming up.
There it is. You need one bolt into here, but you need a nut here. Yeah, you're good. Perfect. Now the other side. And just like that. Nice. Looks good. Sweet! Well, if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.